Howdy, this is Graham Vine with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the gym of the Carlisle Vine, and hey, just kind of checking it out. It's on the 6th floor. This is where all the amenities are, by the way, so it's really easy to access everything you're about to see on this video and the next couple videos. So we walk in, and this is what it looks like. You've got some towels here and mats all ready for you. You've got some dumbbells. You've got some great machines here, some cardio elliptical kind of machines. You've got a Smith machine here ready to do those free squats, those bench presses, stuff like that. And then you got two Peloton bikes and a Stairmaster, looks like. So this is primarily a elliptical kind of cardio gym. I would say it's a medium size. It's not huge, it's not small. It says occupant load 15, by the way. So you can see right now it's about 10 o'clock and there's no one here. So I think it would be rather easy to get at least a cardio workout here, no problem. This is the gym at the Carlisle. If you have any questions at any time and you want to just get information about any of the best apartments in Dallas or the best areas in Dallas, send me a text. Just use our free service. I'd look forward to hearing from you.